Good day, guys. Being here. I promise this is the last episode of this topic. Okay, so today we're going to just create an opening in this brick screen, and also the second half of this exercise we are going to create a schedule to list all these bricks. Okay, so now let's start. So this is what we're going to get today. Okay, so I'm going to start from that this. So this is what we did last time. So we are going to use the adaptive family in here and also the pattern based. So let's just edit this family. Oh, sorry, this is, I think this is a project RVT. Yeah, so let's edit this project. So what I'm going to do is I'll just delete everything. Okay, so delete everything because this is an adaptive family. So first let's go to floor plan. So I'm going to just place 2 points. Okay, so doesn't really matter so where you place a point, so roughly place to the center of this family. So make adaptive, create a spline, make this a reference line. So now let's go to 3D view. So we have point 1, point 2, and also this reference line. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place a point to draw a place a hand. Before that, I want to clean up the parameters. So first, we don't need this radius. This is for last exercise. I'm going to delete this one. Offset, we don't need. Height, yes, we can use the height to control the height of this wall. What's the no, we don't need. D is the distance between point 1 and point 2. We don't need it for today's exercise. Okay, so now, so we have this. So now we can place a point, draw on face, place it on this reference line, and place another point. So now select this one. So if you look at this, so it's telling us that this measure from this point. So if we change this to segment length, so this is 285.5 from this point to this. So change this one to segment length as well. So it will see, so it will be 531.8 from this point to here. So what I'm going to do is I'll just create a parameter. So let's call it, maybe call it X. Okay, so X will be the distance between this to this. So we can, so if we go to family types here, so we can control this point by typing, so for example 200. So it will move this point. Okay, and then we're going to create another parameter. So for this, okay, so this time I'll call it Y instance, and OK, and OK. So now, and let's go to family types. So this time I'm going to create another length parameter. So I'll call it, let's call it opening width, OPW instance. Okay, so I'll give it a number. So for example, 600. And then go to Y, I'll just give it a formula. So X plus opening width. So apply. So now if I click OK, so now we can control. So let me just drag, make this slightly longer. Okay, so now go to family types. So first X is the one we control this point. So when we create an opening, so this is where one side of this opening. So if I change to 300, so you'll see it will move this point, and opening width. So this will be the opening width. So for example, 750. Yep, all good. So now we can place more points. So this time, draw on work plan, set work plan, pick the horizontal work plan of this point, and place it on the point, and OK. So repeat, set work plan, tab, and place it. Oops. So Control Z. So you should see the warning if you didn't if you don't see the warning, which means it's not right. So tab, pick the work plan and place it in OK. So now you can select these 2 points. So it looks like it goes down, but that's okay. So what I'm going to do is I'll create a new parameter. So this time, let's call it opening height, OPH instance, OK, and OK. So now let's go to family types. So opening height, let's just type in 600. Or actually, I want it to match the brick thickness. So equals 86 times 10, for example, and OK. Okay, so it goes down, that's fine. So we just need to select these 2 points and rotate them by 180 degree. So all good. So now we can just connect these points. So spline, reference line, spline, and a reference line. So, okay, so now we have, we also need connect these 2 points. So we have 4 reference line. And then first we need to select this reference line and create a form. So this will give us a face, and we can select this face and assign the height here. So I'm going to use this height. Okay, so I'll just maybe I'll just change the height to make it make this wall smaller. So because my computer is quite slow, so I'll use formula equals 86 times 15, for example. Apply. And OK. So now this is the solid part of this face. And then select these 4 reference line and go create a void. So pick the one on the left and unselect. Hang on, it's not cutting. Let's try again. So void, the one on the left. Oh, looks like there's already one there. So sorry, let me just Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. Okay, Control Y. Okay, so select this one. Let's try again. Let's try it again. Void, the one on the left. Oh, it's not cutting here, so it's weird. So maybe we need to let's try manually cut it. So cut solid. No, maybe let's try to. So this is weird. Usually it will, let's Control Z. Okay, Control Z, Control Y, select this, create a void, and select this one. So yeah, so still have this one selected. So maybe we'll type in the other direction as well. So let's try this. Yeah, all good. Okay, so now we have this opening here. So now we can select this face. So you will need to type the tab key, I think twice. So tab, click divide surface, and then we can adjust this. Okay, so 86 from beginning, so and also this fixed distance 175. So then we can change this to the previous pattern. Okay, so now we have this, so a brick screen with this opening. So and also if I go to family types, because we have all these settings, so this is a 300, so from this point to here. So if I want to move this opening to to the right hand side, we can just type in a number. So and also opening width, so this is, let's try 600, yeah, or maybe make it 600 high. That's it. Okay, so of course you can also add those different size brick. So I'll just quickly do it. Okay, so first select this divided surface and uncheck the component and check the surface. and go click on this one, setting, what's this one called? Display properties. Okay, so click on this one, check the nodes, uncheck the UV grids and the intersect lines, and OK. So now, oh, actually, let me just turn on the component. So let me just try to remember, we need one here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We need to place 1, 2, 3, 4. So turn this off. So we need to place it 1, 2, 3, 4. One start from here, here, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, and place it under this point 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, and point 1. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, point 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, point 1. Okay, so now select one of these, SA, select all, repeat, and that's it. So now if I select this divided surface, turn off the face, turn on the component, and now you will see this is a brick wall with different depths bricks, and also with an opening. So of course this opening, you can adjust this opening. So for example, you can change this. So 300. Okay, so can we make it wider? So 800. Make it taller, 900. Okay, so yeah, you will have this, but maybe we can try this equals 86 times 12. Apply. Still. Anyway, so you can try to, I don't know. Yeah, this is weird, but okay, so let's just change this again. Try 1 meter, maybe 800. Okay, so that's better. So let's pretend. Oh, actually, you can just delete it. Yeah, you can delete it, or if you want to. Anyway, so this is it. Okay, so this is the first part of today's exercise. So create an adaptive brick wall with parametric opening. The next part of today's exercise, we are going to schedule. So let me just I'll close this one. I'll create a new project. Okay, so I'll create a new project and then I'll load this into the new project. So I'm going to just place it here. So instead of place 2 points, I'll just press escape. So it will create a brick wall, same as the one in the family. So you will see exactly same size. So if we place 2 points, so this will adjust the length to match the distance between those 2 points. Okay, so now can we schedule it? Of course we can. First, let's have a look. So this is an adaptive family. So if you try to tab key, so you will find that you won't be able to pick these individual bricks. So if you can't select them, you won't be able to schedule them. So first thing, we need to make these bricks shared family. So now let's go to family. So here, and tab select one of this brick and edit family. Okay, so in here, so you need to go to property. So see here, shared, check this shared box. Now load this back into the family, into here. Okay, so not project. So load this back into this family. Okay, and overwrite. And I think should be fine. Let's click OK, see what happens. Okay, so I think it's all good. Now load this into the project and overwrite. And now let's try again. So tab. So this time, so you will see you can, you will be able to select individual bricks, individual brick. Okay, so now you can schedule them. Okay, so first let's go to view and schedule. Oh, actually, let me check the family category. So see, this is a generic model. Okay, so let's create a generic model. Schedule. So schedule quantity, go G, generic model, and I think it's all good. Click OK. So now we can add the parameter. So so actually what we want to do is we want to schedule the depths, and because the depths of the depths of these bricks are family parameter, so we created the depths parameter for these bricks. So in order to schedule it in a schedule, we need to make them shared parameter. Okay, so first let me just put the family, so this one in, and click OK. So now we have all these. So you will see these are the bricks. So at least we know how many bricks we need. But we also want to know the depths of each bricks. But in order to do that, we need to adjust, not adjust, we need to change the parameter. So we need to go back into the one of the brick. Okay, so one of the brick, edit family. And here, so if you go to family types, so you will see these depths. Okay, so we need to change this one. So currently, so if you edit this depths D, so you will see this is a family parameter. So you won't be able to schedule a family parameter in a project. So you need to make it a shared parameter. So you can just do this. Okay, so check this shared parameter and go select. So now you need to have, so if you don't have this one, so usually, let me just, actually, I'll cancel this one, cancel this one, cancel this one. So I'll show you if you go to manage shared parameter. So this is a setting. So for all your family, all your project. So this is only one shared family. Oh, sorry, shared parameter file. Of course, you can have multiple, but usually you only need one. Okay, once you have this one set, and then you can create different groups. So I will not talk too much about this. I think I did this before. So now let's go back to here. So go to family types. So select this depth, edit, change this to shared parameter. So select. So here, so I'll just create a new. So actually I already have one, but let's just create a new. So edit. So you will be able to pick a group. So if you want to, you can also create a new group. So I'll just create a new group. Okay, so today's date. And now I'm going to create a new parameter. So this will be a shared parameter. I'll call it brick depth. Okay, so okay, and okay, and change this group to this one. Pick this one, and okay. So now this D becomes the brick depth, and it becomes a shared parameter. And click OK, and OK. Now we can load this into the. I think we can load into the. So I think we can load into this project straight away because it's a shared parameter. Oh, sorry, it's a shared family. And now let's have a look again. Okay, so go to the schedule, say edit. So see, it's already here. It's already here. So add, okay. So now you will see all these bricks, the depths of these bricks is listing here. So what you can do is you can do some a little bit sorting. So you can sort by the depths, and also you can count the bricks. So let me think, how do I do it? So maybe maybe footer, maybe this one, and let's click OK. So yeah, maybe we don't want to see the family. Maybe if I hide this one. So let me hide this one. So okay, so it looks like 4. So this is the 110. Yes, still not right. So just have a maybe try this one. Uncheck the itemize every instance. Yeah, better. So what's this one? Oh, I think this one's the whole. Let me show the name of that family. So if I go back to which one? Turn on the family. Yeah. So this is actually the whole thing. So probably you can filter this out. So you can maybe we can just go to filter and only so name equals family 3. So hang on. So there's no, I can't use the family. Maybe we can just use brick depths. So parameter exists. Okay, so click OK. So you will see that it's gone. So yeah, I think this one's better, but maybe now we can hide this family. So at least we have a list of depths. So this is a number, and maybe we can have a grand total. So go grand total and count maybe this one, count and OK. Yeah, so 35 bricks, and all for each different depths there's a number under this. So if let me just close this one. So this is a family, and this is the schedule. So hang on, where's my oh, let me just open the 3D view. So this is the single brick. Let me just close this one as well. So now we have a 3D view here. We have a schedule here. So let me just WT. So if I change this one, so tab, select this adaptive point. So if I increase the length of this wall, and you will see the number of these should change as well. So yeah, all good. So if I change the opening width, so for example, if I change to 1.5 meter, and you should be able to see the change to these numbers. Oops, something's not right. Okay, so let me cancel this. I don't know what's happening, so let's try to 1 meter. Yeah, oh good. So it become from 67, change it from 67 to 62. So let's try again. Yeah, oh good. Yeah. Oh, what's happening here? Anyways, that's it for today. And okay, so next time we can find something new. Okay, so I think he had enough. Anyway, so that's it for today. So today we talked about how to create a brick wall, a brick screen with opening, and also it's a parametric opening, and also how to schedule these bricks. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.